What if I tell you that you might soon be able to use a credit card that has no annual fee, late fee, markup fee, or even an overlimit fee? And on top of that, the card is brought to you by the world's most valuable company? Yes. So, after the phenomenal success of its stores in India, Apple is all set to launch its credit card named Apple Card. Let's get into the details and find out that what can we expect out of it. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the Moneycontrol channel. So, Apple is in talks with banks and regulators to launch its own credit card in India. According to the sources, the company's CEO Tim Cook met with HDFC Bank's CEO and MD Shashidhar Jagdishan during his trip to India in the April this year. The company also held discussions with the Reserve Bank of India on the modalities of the card. According to the sources, the regulator has asked Apple to follow the regular procedure for co-branded credit cards without offering any special consideration to the company. Well, Apple's revenue in India touched around Rs 50,000 crores in FY23, representing 50% growth of over 33,500 crores in FY22. Apple's global services revenue stands at around $80 billion. And with such a large volume of transactions being made, converting a significant portion of these transactions through Apple Card would have a major impact. Well, Apple first launched its credit card in the US in 2019 in partnership with Goldman Sachs and MasterCard. Here are some of the key highlights of the card. No visible card number, no annual fee, late fee, markup fee or overlimit fee. The virtual card works on Apple Pay network. The physical card is made of titanium and works with MasterCard network. The rewards are cash equivalent to Apple Cash account, and the rates are 3% on Apple Store transaction, 2% on Apple Pay transaction, and 1% on physical card transactions. The customer services are over messages and so on. But to launch the Apple Card in India, there are a lot of regulations and compliances that Apple will have to agree on. Apple cannot bring a plain card with just Apple's logo and customer's name on the front and the bank's name on the back side like the one in the US. Moreover, the card available in the US does not even have any number printed on it. These are not the liberties that Apple can take in India as per the current co-branded credit card regulations. The regulations in India do not allow the bank's partner to store customer data or transaction data. As per the co-branded credit card regulations, the role of co-branding partner shall be only limited to marketing and distribution of the cards and providing access to the cardholder for the goods and services that are offered. The co-branding partner cannot even have the access to information relating to transactions undertaken through the co-branded card. Even the Apple Card details cannot be stored on Apple platforms, which is not the case in the other countries that Apple operates in. Though the company has not announced the launch date yet, but it seems that the technology giant has ambitious plans in the financial service space. Considering the regulations, we will have to wait to see how this much awaited Apple Card turns out to be. Stay tuned to know the latest updates and do subscribe to the Moneycontrol channel for more such videos.